No, you watch what you say. You watch what you say. You watch what you say, kid.
Welcome to Raw Police Bodycams channel. Springfield Police say, officers responded to a domestic disturbance call in the 2100 block of East Stuart Street on February 27th. Officer Samuel Rosario engaged in a verbal argument with a 19-year-old boy at the scene, according to the Springfield Police Department. "Go back to Mexico, N-word," an unidentified male says to Rosario in the released footage. "I ain't from Mexico, you stupid mother father," Rosario responds. The screen then cuts to black as, according to Springfield Police, the altercation between officer and teenager escalated into a physical encounter. An unseen woman at the home shouts, "He started it first, police did. The rookie started first. That's assault and battery." Toward the end of the video, Rosario says, "Dude, I felt bad for you. That's why I stopped hitting you." Springfield police say a backup officer not involved in the incident reported it to his supervisor. Rosario was arrested and charged with 2 counts of battery and 1 count of official misconduct the following morning.
Responded like less than a week ago about the same type of shit. Them little motherfuckers didn't do shit. And it's been an ongoing damn thing. And she's 1 point away from juvenile, but they won't take her.
Yeah. Well, that has nothing to do with us, as far as them taking her or not. You know what I mean?
Right, that's absolutely
But what,
correct.
but
Correct.
where's she at?
Man, shit, you make a big ass circle around here. She couldn't have gotten far. 50 feet.
Only thing I told her I was getting ready to call the police because she turned up about 3 totes in my house. She busted a glass table, which table's no good, but she still had no business breaking my glass table though.
Absolutely. She took off.
Yeah.
Do you know which way she went?
No, I didn't see. I was
She went that way?
picking up some stuff.
She went that way.
Looney Tune joggers and a motherfucking pink sweatshirt. Which one is it?
My 16-year-old.
16-year-old.
My 16-year-old Keely.
You want to see if you can find her? I mean, we got at least criminal damage.
Man, that's criminal damage. That's domestic. Come on. She at least getting 2 charges. And if y'all don't give her both charges, I want both y'all badge numbers.
Oh, here goes the
Man,
badge
I ain't
numbers.
going for that shit.
Well, you know what? No offense, but if you're going to hear... Okay, keep walking then. Keep walking then.
Yeah, he always says that badge number and all this and he just goes
Yeah, first of all, you're not a police officer, right?
Well, I know exactly
Did you go to law school?
I know
Did you go to
exactly
police
what-
officer
but
school?
look, I know
You have a
exactly what
badge?
I'm-
Did you go through the academy?
No, I
So
went
do you
to
know the
court.
charges or no?
Man, I know
So you went to
charges.
court once or
The same
twice,
shit
so all of
I
a sudden
done
now you know the law?
No, I went
So
to
you went to
more
court
than
once or twice, so all of a
No,
sudden now you know the law.
twice.
First of all, don't tell me how to do my
Man,
job.
you ain't
All
doing
right?
your job right.
I just
You ain't
fucking
doing
got
your
here.
job right.
I just got
But you're
here.
not doing your
You
job
don't
right.
even know
Man,
me.
shut up.
He just
Man,
said
If you want to do something then, son. Little kid. Little kid.
He just
Don't-
basically said
I just got here.
And
Trying to threaten me, son?
Oh,
You call me over here and then you trying to threaten me, son?
Goddamn call you
I'll
nigga.
slap you on some silvers and take you down to
Yeah, slap me
county.
on some goddamn silver.
That's what I gotta do,
False
because what you gonna do?
arrest. Fuck
False
you mean?
arrest?
What you gonna
False
arrest me
arrest?
for?
You didn't just
What?
point
I
that
ain't
stick
do
at me?
that. I ain't
You
do
didn't just
that.
point that stick at me?
Is your camera on,
Yeah.
motherfucker? Is your camera on?
You see that red dot? It's
Fuck.
on. It's
Is it
on. It's
I'm
on
getting
with
the
your scary
fuck-
ass.
I ain't
Okay,
scared, nigga.
sure.
You better watch what you
Sure.
say. Without
No,
that
you watch
badge
what you
and that
say. You
uniform,
watch what you
ain't-
say. You watch what you say,
I ain't
kid.
watching
I don't
that.
know who you think you're talking to, but first
Shit.
of all, you don't talk to me like
Yeah,
that.
I-
You understand that?
I'm not
I'm
no
here to
kid.
help you.
You ain't
I'm here to help
me.
you.
here to help
And
them.
all of a sudden, before I even
No.
got here, you're like, y'all motherfuckers ain't gonna do shit.
Get
I
out my
just
face.
got
Get
here.
out my face.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Fuck you
You
with your
little
scary ass.
rookie bitch.
I'm right here,
You little
motherfucker.
rookie bitch.
I'm right here.
You a rookie bitch.
Shut up.
Bitch, that's police brutality.
Is it?
Yeah, bitch.
Is it? Because you went to court once or twice?
What you mean? I know my laws, bitch.
Ma'am, if we find her, she's gonna be arrested for criminal damage. Did she hit you today?
Fuck you mean? Put your hands
Shut the
on your
fuck
head,
up.
nigga.
Did she hit you today?
Fuck you.
I'm not a fucking nigga. You watch your fucking mouth.
I
Put
said
her
what I
hands on the
want.
back of
She
my
did hit you today?
No, she didn't.
We in
She just
America.
grabbed the back of my
She did? I know where the fuck we
We
at.
in
Oh,
America.
come on, really?
America.
You don't see this bracelet right here?
Do
What
you
have you
not
done
see
for
America,
America?
motherfucker?
What you done for this
Fuck
fucking
you
America?
mean? You ain't did shit for this.
Clean up the fucking glass,
I ain't
bitch. You ain't
clean
done
up
shit.
bitch.
Shut
Fuck
up.
you mean?
Shut up.
You little wannabe
You fucking scared.
cop,
You
bitch.
scared. I'm right here, man. You
Man,
scared.
You scared, bitch.
You fucking scared.
As soon as I put my hands on your punk ass, I know how it's gonna go.
I'm not even gonna take you to jail. I'll give you the freedom of that.
Man, you a goddamn liar.
You want to put one or two?
Shit.
Really?
See, I'm not stupid. You ain't about to mace me.
I won't even. I'm turning down my radio so I can hear the
Really?
bullshit coming out of your mouth.
Really? I call you out here for my purpose, and you
Yeah.
and my son are, come on now, really?
Well, first of all, your son's got a fucking mouth on him.
Yes, he does. I know he does.
Yep.
I know he
And
does.
now I can see why your daughter's acting all out of control.
Thank you.
So first of all, discipline needs to be an issue.
Ain't no
All right?
discipline.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut the fuck up.
Discipline needs to be an issue,
Fuck
ma'am.
you mean?
Obviously, there's a juvenile. Obviously, there's a
I'm not no
disciplinary
juvenile,
issue
nigga.
right
I'm
here.
an adult.
Okay.
You ain't about to put me in no damn juvenile.
Okay. Okay. You want to throw some hands, man? We can throw some hands, and I won't even arrest you, man. I'll let you go right in there. Oh, like I've never heard that before. Like I've never heard that before. Like I've never heard that before.
USA bullshit. That badge.
Like I've never heard that before.
Y'all go around Springfield like y'all the
Like I've never heard that before.
Y'all go to Chicago, they gonna lay y'all ass.
Okay. Okay. Like I've never heard that before. Like I've never heard that before.
Go back to Mexico, nigga.
So I ain't from Mexico, you stupid motherfucker.
Go back to Mexico.
I ain't from Mexico.
Fuck you mean?
So anyways, that's what we're looking at right here. So if my partner can find her, that's what we're going to go with, okay? Hopefully she'll make enough points, and then we can take her to YSB.
Can I have your
All right.
badge number? I want your badge number.
The Juvenile Detention Center.
Can I have that? I
Yeah.
need that. I need that badge number,
All right.
sir.
So, however, if she
Put your
comes
hands on me.
if she comes
Yeah,
back
give
here,
me
you
the
need
number.
before we find her, you need to give us a call so we can come back and address the issue of all this earlier. You understand what I'm saying? So just because we don't find her now doesn't mean she's gonna she's gonna escape free. You know what I mean?
I understand what you're saying.
But where would she go though?
I don't have no clue. I don't know who she know or who she don't know. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know. None of my kids' friends or nothing.
That's fine. That's fine. So she's mad about $40.
Well, $40 is legally mine, and she says I owe it to her.
She's a juvenile.
Exactly.
She ain't got
I
no
don't
money
owe my
entitled
kids
to her,
anything.
period.
I don't owe kids anything.
No, you don't.
I don't.
Mom does not owe kid nothing.
No.
No.
Absolute. Thank you. Thank you.
No, mom does not owe kid nothing.
Thank
No.
you.
So you should be good to go. And besides the fact whether that table was good or not, it still doesn't give her the right to do all this.
No, it wasn't right for right. It wasn't.
Much less put her hands on you either. So
No,
has
true.
she done that before?
But, yeah, in the past.
She has?
Yeah.
About how many times?
Oh God.
That many?
About that many, yeah.
Okay.
But my question is, if y'all find her, she go to jail. She goes to court tomorrow. She's a judge, whatever.
Unfortunately, what the judge does after that is beyond me.
That's what I said.
He's
She go to-
above
yeah,
me
she
all
goes to work
day.
The next day, the judge, whatever.
Yeah, that's the crappy part. You know, I can only do my part, which would be call YSB, the Juvenile Detention Center, put some points on her. If she meets, take her down there. But then after that, man, whatever Sangamon County District Attorneys do, that's above my pay grade. Yep.
I understand.
So.
The red light ain't on.
So.
Oh Jesus!
Yeah.
Why is you messing with the
So
baby
can I have your
police?
badge? I mean, you just pushed me. I mean, I want that number.
I pushed you?
Yeah, you pushed the shit out of me, dude.
Oh, really?
I want that number.
So you scared now?
No, I ain't
Is that
scared
what
shit.
it
I
is?
want your
Okay.
number, though.
Okay.
Motherfucker, I can't touch you, but I can touch
Yeah,
your
okay.
number.
Yeah, okay.
Fuck you mean?
I told you
Give
you
me that
could.
badge number.
I told you you
Give me that
could.
fucking number.
Fuck you.
Fuck you, you bitch. Give me that
I told
damn
you you
number.
could.
Again, round
Give me that
two.
goddamn number.
I told you
You
if you
gotta
want.
give me your
Told
damn
you if you
number.
want to throw hands.
No, I'm not gonna touch you, bitch.
Yeah, cause
Give
you
me that
scared.
goddamn
Cause you
badge
scared,
number.
dude.
Give me that
Cause you
fucking
scared,
number.
dude.
Why don't you want to give me your
Cause
number,
you fucking
bitch?
scared, dude.
Fuck
What's
you,
your last
man.
name, ma'am? What is it? I'm sorry. Yeah, you scared, dude.
Oh,
You can keep running your mouth, but
you're
you still
a
ain't gonna do
wannabe,
nothing. I'm standing right here. You still ain't gonna do nothing.
Still got your faggot
Cause
ass.
you scared.
Lord.
Would y'all come get your brother, please? Would y'all come get your brother, please?
You can't control them.
No,
You can't control that
Okay.
one. That's mouth to sound. So-
yeah, I could tell. I could tell. I could put some hands on. Oh, okay, push you again, right? And then I do it, and you still ain't gonna do nothing. And you still ain't gonna do nothing. All day, you still ain't gonna do nothing. Still ain't gonna do nothing. I'm right here, man. I'm right here. Damn, is that all y'all do on the east side? Is run your fucking mouth? Is that all you do on the east side? Is run your goddamn mouth? You all think we're just a bunch of bitches? You think I'm supposed to show up and have you run your fucking mouth? Come on then. Come on then. I'm right here. Push you again. I pushed you once and you scared. That's why you didn't do nothing. You scared. My camera is on.
Now it's on, bitch.
My camera's been on. My camera's been on. You scared. Come on. You scared, right? You scared, right? You scared. You want me to leave it in my car? Is that what you want? You want me to leave it in my car?
You better keep that whole damn uniform.
What do you want me to do for you to put some hands on me?
Just come back over.
You want me to put my pistol away? You want me to put my badge away?
Come back over without your uniform and shit.
Okay, I'll be back tonight then.
Yeah, come back tonight.
Okay.
Come back tonight.
But in the meantime, I'm right here.
No, I'm not gonna touch you while you got
Yeah,
your uniform
of course
on.
not. You're not. You scared, son. You run your mouth, but you scared.
I just ain't gonna get in that charge on no.
You run your mouth. He's scared. I just told him I wasn't gonna arrest him. I'm not even gonna tase you. I'm not even gonna mace you. I'm gonna give you these hands, and you still gonna run your mouth. You still scared. He's scared. Am I right or am I wrong? You scared, right? Is that how we do it on the east side, right? You want these hands, you can have them. I won't even arrest you, son. You scared. You a bitch. That's what you is. You a bitch. That's why everybody around here gonna fucking punk your bitch ass. Cause you ain't nothing but a pussy. Fuck you.
You bitch.
Yeah. What's your last name, man? Dude, I'm done with you, dude. If you ain't gonna throw hands, then shut the fuck up. If you ain't gonna... You ain't gonna fucking throw hands. Fucking do something. Yeah. Did I not just touch you? Huh? Did I not just touch you?
Huh? Okay. Got one here. Police trying fighting.
He's good. Don't do it. Don't do it.
The rookie started first. See, that's not bad.
You alright? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
He's good. Don't do it. So what the fuck?
Done?
You pussy bitch.
Alright.
Run your fucking mouth.
Hold on, what the fuck?
Done?
Don't arrest him.
What the fuck? See, I thought it was gonna be a one-on-one. What type of shit was that?
My partner didn't fucking do nothing.
Man, you
pussy ass bitch. Fuck you.
Man, what's up?
You scared.
What's up?
You got
Done.
these hands.
I'm
You scared.
I'm scared, huh?
We're done. We're done.
We ain't done.
We're done.
Fuck that shit.
Done.
We is not done on this.
Done.
No. Fuck that.
Done.
Shit.
735.
We're 10-4
here. Don't worry.
You tougher than a bitch. Whole ass nigga.
749, 10-4.
Fuck you mean?
He's running his mouth. So.
Cameras are on the floor.
That's right.
It's going to be a service desk.
I got kids. What they want to start shooting? What the fuck?
Yeah.
Like I told you, kid.
You ain't about that life, kid.
Like I told you.
Wait, I
told you, you ain't about that life.
Hold on. I got
Now go inside.
Like I told you, bitch.
Go inside. We done
Lucky your
here.
man's ran up.
Cool it.
Don't do that shit again. I'm telling you, don't do that shit again.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that, man.
Bitch, who swings?
I'm not involved with that.
Right. Who does that shit?
Kid, you done, man.
Nah, you done, bitch.
What's your first name, man?
Fuck you mean?
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, but you know what it is? I'm tired of you talking to you like that. If you ain't going to act, man, you better be a man.
I just told you right there.
749. 749.
You guys good? Oh, I'm good.
You know that, right?
670.
That wasn't fair, man. Why didn't you let me slam that bitch?
I didn't even
Come on
touch
now.
you, man.
Man, but you came
Okay,
up behind me with that gas taste.
Don't
You
talk
came
to
up
me.
behind me with that
Don't
gas
talk
taste.
to me like that, man.
Man, why didn't you let me slam
I'm not
that bitch?
involved. I'm not involved
Why
with
didn't you
that.
let me slam
Don't
that
let me.
bitch?
Don't talk
Why'd
to
you
me,
talk
okay?
about put my hands behind my back?
Don't
Why'd
talk
you
to
let
me.
me beat
I'm
his
true
ass?
to my word.
Talk-
I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
you true
man,
to
but
your
I'm
word
true to
until
my
your
word.
deputy ran up.
I'm sorry, but I'm true to
Man, I
my
was gonna
word.
knock your ass out till your deputy ran up talking about put your
Really?
hands behind your back.
Now,
What
when
type
were you
of
going to do
bullshit
that?
was
When
that?
you on your back over there on the
Fuck
corner?
you mean? As soon as I heard get on.
Dude,
hands
I
behind
felt
your back,
bad
fuck
for
you.
you. That's why I stopped hitting
No,
you.
bitch.
Yeah, shut up.
Fuck you mean? You can never take me one-on-one, bitch.
I just
No,
did.
you did. You
I
really
just
did.
did.
You really did.
I just did.
You really did.
I just did. You know,
No,
the
you
funny
did.
part is nobody came to help you.
Look, the funniest part
Nobody
is your
came to
deputy
help you.
came. Your deputy.
What's your daughter's name?
Ass kids.
What's your first name?
Fuck you.
I mean, what's her first? Is that her first name?
No, yes, her.
Like, fuck off.
That's
Wait,
right.
treat you.
Oh my God! Come the fuck on, really?
You could, bro. I got you, man.
You
You
funny
good.
damn motherfucker.
Does she
You
got a
little
middle
Mexican
initial?
looking.
What's her birthday? I'm sorry, but your son over here needs some discipline.
Man, I wish you would just get back in the street one more goddamn time, nigga. Damn, you a
What do you
bitch.
think, Manny? Should I give him one more?
I don't know, man. It's
Yeah,
up to
right.
you,
Should I
but-
give him one more? Should I turn this off and give him one more?
No.
I don't think.
I think
you
he's
about- I
done.
don't think
Man,
you
come
want it,
back
kid.
later,
No, he's
bitch.
done.
I'll give you your
think you
one,
want it,
bitch.
kid.
Come back later while I got my
Man, if
jacket.
she comes back, would you just give us a call, please? Okay, and we'll handle her accordingly.
Yeah, she's not
And
around
I'll
here.
handle
So-
you when you come back, son.
Dude, I'm right here, man.
Fuck
You
you.
you already got it, man. Don't even try.
That little kid across the street's ready to whip your ass, so
Look,
don't
look,
even
look,
try.
I'll tell you what, bitch. Next time you hit me like a bitch, at least put me in cuffs.
I told you I wouldn't.
You
I
get
told you I
still gonna
wouldn't.
be like a straight bitch.
I told you I wouldn't.